a Northern Cardinal. The mom's about ready to come up to the nest and feed her 3 little babies. Let's hope that she comes up here. They're sound asleep now, but when they see her, they're gonna, oh, there they are. There she is. Yep, they've got 3 mouths open, hungry as can be. How many little birds do you see? I think there's 3 in that red one. That's the daddy. Oh, and here comes the mama. She's the light colored one. Look at daddy. Whoops. Did you see that? What was that white thing? Okay, this is day 4. The daddies, they're feeding the birds. They're very hungry now. And they're almost too big for that nest. 3 hungry mouths. Oh, look at him. He's almost out of the nest now. Look at that. Well, any day now. Maybe later today or even tomorrow morning, they'll be gone. They're moving around quite a bit now, these little baby birds. I think Daddy's coming back again. Mama's bird's feeding them now. There's only how many in the nest? Oh, 1. There's 1. 2. The 3rd one is gone. It flew away. Okay, well, we only got 2 left now. 2 baby birds. They're wanting to get them out of there because they're so big. There's the daddy. Trying to get them to get out. Fly. Father's trying to get the little baby one to leave the nest. It's hopping around, chirping at him. Not quite ready. Oh, wait a minute, there he goes. I think he's starting to get out. Right on the edge. There's Daddy. Looked like Daddy was cleaning up the nest. You have to keep your house clean. Oh, I think he's starting to go. No? Boy, they're so close to getting ready to fly. Oh, they're just stretching so much. Preening themselves. Come on, boys, it's time to fly. It's time to take off. Oh, one's made the move to get out. Still right on the edge. The other one's right behind. Oh, there he's jumped over to the other branch. Couldn't quite see that. Now there's only one. Probably be right behind his little brother. So is he going to leave? No. Not quite ready. Got to test those wings just a little bit more. There's one little baby bird right here on the limb. The father was just there and gave him a little bite to eat. Certainly he's out of the nest. There's the last bird in the nest. Doesn't seem to want to leave. He's too tired. He's just a young baby. But he will.